Google Earth is a 3D Earth simulation software. Google Earth is one of the first 3D making software of Earth, in a manner that the satellites located in the Earth's atmosphere update the images of this software every once in a while. In this video, we are going to teach Google Earth software in an introductory way. So stay with us, and if you have any questions, ask us in the comments. The Earth can rotate at all angles, which we can move to our area with the help of the mouse. The software consists of several parts: Image Display section, Places and Layers section, as well as tabs for working with software. You can import your data using the File option. Results can also be saved, and provides easy access to email. In the Edit section, there are tasks related to this section. In the View section, we have the toolbar that can be turned on or off. The sidebar can also be turned on or off as needed. Full screen. The window size can be specified. Navigator settings can also be adjusted. These settings are more relevant to display Navigator on the software. The status bar can be turned on. You can also enable grid, overview map, and legend. For our area, we can change the sunlight according to our desired time. We can view and even download historical imagery. Using the Explore command, we can see the sky. We can also see Mars. And finally, we can go to the moon. Here we go on Earth. You can reset the title or compass using the reset command. Using the search command, we can search for any area where we're going to go to. As you can see, we reached our area correctly. Also, the tools, which has some tools that we can use based on our needs. Using the add placemark command, we can create points. We can assign a name for each placemark. Placemark can be edited in appearance. Using the Add Polygon option, we can draw a polygon. It can be edited in appearance too. Lines can also be drawn using the Add Path option. Using the record, a tour option, we can save a tour and watch it later. Using the option that is similar to the clock, we can view the date and view the time series images of the area based on the specified dates. Here the time series of images for the lake can be seen, and you can see the changes in the lake over the years. Here you can change the time of sunrise and sunset. The Show Ruler command can take measurements well. You can export and save images with the Save Image command. Output parameters can be changed using the map options. In this section, we can choose the output resolution. Then we save the image with the Save Image option. The output of the saved image can be seen here. We can enter Google Map using the View on Google Maps command. The saved images in Google Map can be viewed. The next option is View on Google Earth on Web. By clicking on this option, we can connect to Google Earth Web. A series of changes can also be applied in the Google Earth Web. In order to be able to configure Google Earth settings, we need to enter the Tools section. Select the options. The page, which is Google Earth Options, consists of several sections. In the 3D View section, texture colors can be specified. And you can change the observed parameters if you need to. In the next section, you can change the lot, long. The unit of measurement can be changed. Font and font size can be changed too. For the height exaggeration, we can use this section. Elevation exaggeration is naturally 1, by increasing this number to 2 the height areas doubles. As can be seen, the mountains are higher than normal. In the next section, you can see the software cache. You can clear it if you needed to. The next sections are the settings related to touring. The next part is the navigation settings. In the general section, you can see changes in display, email, software language, file conversions, and so on. In many cases, you can view 3D buildings in Google Earth. If there are three-dimensional layers from a specific place, we can import these layers into the software and display and analyze them. You can also see the buildings that have a three-dimensional layer using the 3D building command inside the software. Using the Google Earth, you can specify the path between two places. For this purpose, it is necessary to select the Get Directions option. Here we have to enter the two cities or places we need. Select Get Directions. The car route is now displayed for the two specified locations. Information about this route has been displayed. Distance and time can be viewed for specified routes. Using the Record, a Tour option, we can save a tour from the route. The right part of the software consists of two parts. Places and Layers section. In the Places section, all the layers that we produced or imported into the software are located. For example, if we create a point, this layer will be in the My Places section. The second part, which is Layers, consists of the primary database. In this section, many parameters can be displayed. Borders and labels can be displayed. By turning on this option, the borders of countries and provinces can be displayed. The borders of the countries are yellow and the borders of the provinces are white. By selecting the Places option, all areas are displayed. Using the Photos option, you can see the images that are placed for each part of the famous places. By selecting the Roads option, all roads are displayed. The main roads can be seen here. And with zoom in, you can also see the side roads. Using the 3D building option, you can see the buildings and features that are in 3D within Google Earth. Weather makes a difference in terms of climate. More options specifies more information about places, such as the area of parks, airports, bus stations, water areas, etc. By turning on the weather command, you can see the existing clouds. The terrain option acts as a digital terrain model and displays the elevation post. If you need to collect points, lines and polygons from images in Google Earth, you need to create a folder. Creating a folder and saving all the layers created inside a folder makes it possible to save and import the folder only once when saving the layers and when necessary to open the saved layers inside ArcMap software, otherwise we have to save in red. Here we create a point layer. and put it in the desired folder. We also draw a polygon on our area. And we draw a line on a road. Layers can also be saved in KML or KMZ format. And the whole folder can be saved, and our 3 layers are saved in the folder. We go to ArcMap software. From the search section, we search for the KML To Layer command. You can see the path of this command here. We select the KML To Layer command. In the first input, we import the KML file saved using Google Earth. An output path can be specified. All of our layers, which were line, point and polygon, became layers. Now we can export all the layers and have one output. We can import point, line and polygon shapefile into Google Earth software. Here we could import a point file into the software. You can also view point information by clicking on each point. In this section, we are going to teach you how to download an image from Google Earth. If there are any layer on your area, all layers need to be turned off first. We go to our desired area. Because the download from the Google Earth directly, so the images are not georeferenced. So to georeference the images after download, we need to draw a line around the image using points or lines. Georeferencing is done with the help of at least 4 points, so our line should be almost square. To perform the georeferencing operation in the best possible way, we save the line layer. We save the image using the Save Image command. Because we are going to turn the photo into a raster or an image, so we turn off all the appearance parameters. The Google Earth name is on our photo, because the name cannot be deleted, so we reduce its size to remove it from the box we want. We select the image resolution. And hit the Save Image. We go to ArcMap software and search the KML To Layer command. In this step, we need to convert the line layer to a shapefile. We select our layer. We export it as a shapefile. Here you can see the line layer. We import the saved photo into the software. Because it has no coordinates and is not georeferenced, it is not in the right place. Georeferencing tool is a tool with which we can georeference images. Here we select the image and select the Add Control Points command. Click on the edge or the beginning of the drawn line on the image. And we go on the line Shapefile. And we click on the exact same place from the line again, until these 2 points overlap. We go to the other side of the line and repeat the same steps again. We do all the directions of the line in the same way. Finally, we have to collect 4 points. Select the Update Georeferencing command. The image has been georeferenced. We can export and save the georeferenced image. You can also use the Layer to KML command to convert the image to a KML file. And we can also display it in the Google Earth. To draw a profile, you need to enable the train option. We draw a line on the path where the profile needs to be drawn. We go on the layer and select the Show Elevation Profile option. Here you can see the height changes by moving the mouse. We draw the profile on another path. You can easily download topographic maps using Google Earth. To do this, you need to search US Army Maps. We select the first option here to download the file. And put the downloaded file in a specific path. We go to Google Earth software and import the downloaded file into the software. Topographic map blocks can be seen here. We go to our area. Right-click on Map. And we take the download link to download. Here you can see the topographic map. We can click on Map to download, but it takes a few seconds to download.